you're a Tesla Model Y owner, it's time for you to not only protect your Model Y, but also make some really affordable exterior and interior upgrades to set yourself apart from all the other Model Ys out there. Let's start off with our brand new TMaxx PPF Clear. TMaxx is our brand new brand in-house for PPF, also known as paint protection film, to go ahead and protect the exterior of your Tesla. And as you can see, this is a beautiful pearl white Model Y, and you can't even tell that it has PPF on it. And that's one of the beauties of this film. This film is also designed to go ahead and protect your paint from road rash, rock chips, bird droppings, and a variety of other things that would typically make you go to the body shop to have paint work done. And when you have a beautiful pearl white Model Y or some of the other special colors that Tesla offers, if you needed to go ahead and do some paint work repair, let's say to the front fender, typically it's going to need to be blended with the hood, the bumper, or the door, sometimes all of the above. That gets very costly. PPF film is designed to take the hit, to take the abuse and protect the paint underneath. So if, let's just say, you had some rock chips or some road rash or a ding happen on the front fender, typically the film is going to go ahead and absorb all that. It does have some self-healing properties built into it. And in worst case scenario, you peel the film off that one area, the paint has been preserved, and now you can go ahead and reapply new PPF film in this one section. Much more affordable than going to the body shop. Now let's talk about changing the look of your Model Y. These are our brand new TY114D for Directional Aero covers. The Model Y comes with some pretty basic Aero covers. Actually, they look more like hubcaps, quite frankly. And they just pull right off, right? You just pull them off, they snap right off. And for literally just a couple $100, you could change the look of your Model Y with our brand new Aero covers. We have a few styles to choose from. This one is the Directional version, which a lot of you asked us to make, so here it is. And it's finished in satin black, which is perfect to tie in with all the satin black trim that's on the car already. Now let's go to the inside of this Model Y and I'll show you what we did there. So welcome to the interior of this Model Y, which originally was white vegan material. And that's a great color, probably the most popular for Tesla, but not everybody loves it. And a lot of us out there, we want to be different. We maybe want to have a leather interior or a different color completely. This particular owner actually wanted to stay with white, but he wanted it to be leather. So we went ahead and reupholstered the front and rear seats using our white leather material that, as if you notice, has perforated inserts. Perforated inserts are these little tiny holes that you see on the insert of the seats. It makes the overall experience of sitting in the seat a little bit cooler. And yes, your seat heaters still work perfectly. This particular seat design is called Insignia, and that's making reference to the 3 lines in the middle of the seat back, very much resembling the Tesla E example. So we finished those in black Alcantara suede, and the reason behind that was to tie in some of the other black elements that, as you can see, comes in your Model Y. Now we took this one step further. The door panel inserts are normally black as well. This customer wanted them to be white, so I love that because it really just ties it all in together. And lastly, let's make it a little bit sportier. This had the white dash and white door panel inserts, and now, as you can see, they've been refinished in matte carbon fiber. This is a really easy DIY process. We ship you the parts. They go right on top of the dash cap and the door panel caps, and that completely changes the interior of your Model Y. So as I just showed you, for not too much money, you can completely protect the exterior of your Model Y so that you can enjoy this beautiful color for many years of ownership. And for not too much money, you can go ahead and change the exterior look by going with our brand new Directional Aero covers, and changing the interior is very affordable as well. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. I have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.